Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the app not available here in the App Store. If you ever tried downloading an app only to find out it's not available in your region, this guide will help you resolve it. Let's dive in. Step 1. Close background apps. First, close the App Store and any other apps running in the background. Step 2. Check your VPN. Open the settings, go to the General, scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. If you've connected to a VPN, disconnect it. Sometimes VPNs cause region-related errors in the App Store. Step 3. Verify data and time. Go back to the General menu and tap Data and Time. Ensure Set Automatically is toggled on. Verify that your time zone matches your current location. Step 4. Change your country and region. Open Settings app and tap your Apple ID banner at the top. Select Media and Purchases. Then tap View Account. Wait for it to load. Tap Country and Region. And select Change Country or Region. Pick a country where the app is available, such as the United States. Review the terms and conditions. Then tap Agree. And enter a billing address for the selected country. Use a valid city name and zip code. You can search this online. Add a phone number. It doesn't have to be real. Tap Next to save the details. Step 6. Download the app. Your App Store country will now be updated. Go back to the App Store and search for the app. You should be able to download it successfully. As you can see, I was able to download TeamViewer by following these steps. That is it. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.